Hey friends, I've been working on a project for about a year now and I finally get to share it with you. I've created a line of stamps and stencils for SIZZIX, one of my favorite companies to work with. I've always been impressed with their innovation and quality, and when they asked me to be a part of their team, I immediately said yes. This set is called Build It, and it features a diverse range of motifs including Baroque architecture details, brick buildings, and vintage labels. They represent a place in history and I hope give a sense of drama and opulence. Follow along while I create a journal page with my Build It layered stencil and stamp set from SIZZIX. If you have any questions about my techniques, just leave me a comment and make sure to take a peek at my other sets from SIZZIX. I know they'll inspire you.